Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's well and having a good day. Today, I'd like to talk about Budgies Diet. With Budgies, a seed-only diet isn't very beneficial. In fact, it's not at all good for a budgie to just give a budgie seed. So with having budgies, it's important that they get a varied diet. Seed is part of a diet of a budgie, but just make sure you give your budgie or let your budgie try vegetables such as broccoli, leafy greens such as cabbage, sprouts even, things like that, things that are green. My budgie's favourite vegetable is broccoli. But she also likes things like peppers and chilies. She even likes a hot red chili, which is surprising. Just let your budgie sample everything. No, not all things agree with budgies. Some things can be poisonous and toxic to budgies. If they have enough of a dose, then things could be catastrophic. Things like chocolate, even avocados. Now, I didn't know about avocados until I checked it out. But apparently giving avocado to a budgie can be damning. So you must be careful and do your research on anything you plan to try on your budgie. Because the last thing you want these little guys is to to end up poisoned. Budgies, most budgies, no, my budgie doesn't like fruit. I've tried her every way I can with fruit, such as orange, banana, but she will not eat them. Melon. I've tried her with fruits and it's just not successful. No, there's other foods I've tried our Sammy on, and that was mint out of my plant in the garden. And surprisingly, she did like it. Just do your research. I'm really begging people to do the research on Budgie's varied diet. Also, while we're on the subject, there's been only a couple of times when Sammy's poo has been a bit runny, and so I've had to stop giving her vegetables for a day or two. just so her poo could go back to normal. If your Budgie's poo's a bit runny, they could have had too much of something. And it means that the stomach might be a little bit upset. But with Budgies, you can't tell if they've got a bellyache. You've just got to go with the science. I hope everybody has a pleasant rest of the day. And keep safe. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see everybody again soon. Bye.